name's Najee. I'm in 8th grade. I go to Marietta Middle, and I've been coming to Girls Inc. of Greater Atlanta for about 3-4 years now. And I like Girls Inc. because it just teaches me to be proud that I'm a girl and to be proud that you are a girl in a world that doesn't really accept girls or women for who they really are. And that's strong, smart, and bold. And they've taught me over the years how to accept my personality and just to be you, be myself. Don't change yourself for anybody else. You're beautiful, and just basically just empowerment all around. So I really like it. It's a wonderful program for girls from like kindergarten to maybe even high school. But I look forward to coming back, and if not high school, then volunteering and kind of just mentoring other girls and helping them find themselves as far as being a girl in the U.S.